Hi, so today we travel from Nerang to Helensvale. This is a distance of 7 kilometers. It will take us about 5 minutes. Nerang Broad Beach Road is where the second M1 would end. So somewhere here.
This is a Brisbane City and Brisbane Airport train, running express from Beenleigh to Park Road, stopping only at Loganleigh and Altandi. The next station is Helensvale. Customers travelling to Surfers Paradise
We're
and
crossing the Nerang
please
River
change
now.
to the G-Link tram at Helensvale station.
We'll cross the Southport Nerang Road later, and Smith Street motorway, and close to Smith Street motorway we'll see where the second M1 would cross over the light rail. Light rail from Southport to Helensvale was built in the corridor between 2016 and 2017. Was opened December 2017. When the light rail was built, it was already close to homes, but then to put a second M1 there, some properties had to be bought, and even with these properties gone, I've seen blocks already, divided, land subdivided, but it's gone. It will still be very close, and I think the closest will be in Arundel Springs by Villawood, and then the next estate is the surrounds. So this was Smith Street motorway, and soon we will see the light rail and the Arundel Springs, and then the surrounds. There you go. This is a light rail station. So now it's heavy rail, light rail, and residential estates. See the townhouses there. This was. They basically will be next to the motorway. There, I don't know if there will be even like 10-20 meter distance. That's it. And this is the surrounds, also by Villawood. Sales office and last few houses. So Villawood had plans for developing the land, the remaining land. It used to be a golf course.
Now arriving at
They wanted to
Helensvale
put
station.
townhouses there
station,
next to the
preparing
train
to
station.
disembark.
I
Customers
don't
travelling
think
to
that's
Surfers
possible
Paradise
anymore,
and
because
Helensvale station platform is on the
the
right.
6-lane motorway will, if Labor and LNP do this 6-lane motorway, will go here. Alright, so that's it. Bye.